Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7. It is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 14 of chapter 14, properties of parallel lines. One question is written here. Question number 10. In this question, in the given figure, AB parallel CD, angle ABE equal to 120 degree, angle ECD equal to 100 degree, and angle BEC equal to X degree. Find the value of X. Students, draw AB, draw FEG parallel AB parallel CD. Since AB parallel CD and draw FEG parallel AB, then EFEG parallel AB parallel CD. All three lines are parallel. Now, since AB parallel FEG, therefore name of this angle is suppose one or name given BEF. Angle BEF plus angle ABE equal to 180 degree. Why? So co-interior angles. That implies angle BEF plus ABE, angle ABE equal to 120 degree, equal to 180 degree. That implies angle BEF equal to 180 degree plus 120 degree by transposition changing to subtraction. So 120 degree equal to 60 degree. Now find, since AB parallel FEG parallel CD, again angle CEG, this angle CEG plus angle DCE or angle ECD, angle ECD equal to 180 degree. It is also co-interior angles. That implies direct angle CEG equal to angle ECD equal to 100 degree. So 180 degree minus 100 degree equal to 80 degree. Now by linear pair, this angle equal to this angle BEF plus angle X plus angle CEG equal to 180 degree by linear pair. That implies BEF angle BEF equal to 60 degree plus x, angle CEG equal to 80 degree equal to 180 degree. That implies x equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree plus 80 degree, 140 degree. So 180 degree minus 140 degree equal to 40 degree answer. Students, understand and write it. Students, now next question is question number 11. In this question, in the given figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB parallel CD and AD parallel BC. Then prove that angle ADC equal to angle ABC. Students, proof. Since AB parallel CD, therefore angle ADC, AB parallel CD, so ADC and this angle ADC plus angle BAD equal to 180 degree. What? Their co-interior angle. Angle ADC plus angle BAD equal to 180 degree by co-interior angle. Here AB parallel CD, then angle ADC plus angle BAD equal to 180 degree because it is the pair of co-interior angles. So equation 1, it is equation 1. Now since AD parallel BC, therefore angle ABC, AD parallel BC, so angle ABC plus angle BAD equal to 180 degree. It is also by co-interior angles. Equation 2. Students, care here. Both equations have same right hand side. Angle ADC plus angle BAD equal to 180 degree and angle ABC plus angle BAD equal to 180 degree. Right hand side same, then left hand side also same. So from equation 1 and 2, angle ADC, left hand side, angle ADC plus angle BAD equal to second equation, angle ABC plus angle BAD. Now angle BAD both are cancelled. Therefore angle ADC equal to angle ABC proved. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 13. In this question, in the given figure, AB parallel CD and AD parallel BC, AC is a diagonal. If angle BAC equal to 35 degree, angle CAD equal to 40 degree, angle ACB equal to x degree and angle ACD equal to y degree. Find the value of x and y. Students, here since AD parallel BC, AC the transversal, AD parallel BC and AC the transversal, then x equal to 40 degree because alternate interior angle. So x degree equal to 40 degree by alternate interior angles. One answer is coming. Now since AB parallel DC and AC is a transversal, AB parallel DC by simply AB parallel DC and AD parallel BC. So AB parallel DC, AC is a transversal, then by degree equal to 35 degree by alternate interior angle. It is also value of its answer. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 14. It is last question also today. In this question, in the given figure, AB parallel CD and CA produced to E. CA has been produced to E. Show that angle BAC equal to x degree. Angle ABD equal to x degree. Angle BDC equal to y degree. And angle ACD equal to z degree. Find the value of x, y, z. Students, first of all, here x degree plus 125 degree. Its form here form a linear pair. So sum of both angles is 180 degree. X plus 125 degree equal to 180 degree by linear pair. That implies x equal to 180 degree. 125 by transposition change into minus 125 degree. Now subtract it. 10 minus 5 degree, and here 7 minus 2 5 degree, so 55 degree. 5 plus 5 10 of 0 carry 1, 5 to 7 plus 1 8. Now x equal to 55 degree. Answer. Next, find by. So angle since AB parallel CD and BD is a transversal. AB parallel CD and BD is a transversal. So x plus y equal to 180 degree by co-interior angle, constitutive interior angles, co-interior angles. That implies x, the value of x is 55 degree, plus y equal to 180 degree. That implies y equal to 55 degree plus y equal to 180 degree. So y equal to 180 degree. By transposition 55 degree changing to minus 55 degree. Subtract it. 10 minus 5, 5. And 7 minus 5, 2. And 1, 125. Answer of y. Similarly, AB parallel CD and CA is a transversal. So Z plus X equal to 180 degree by co-interior angles. That implies Z equal to 180 degree minus the value of x is 55 degree. So minus 55 degree equal to 125 degree answer. Students, now today your homework is solve exercise 14. Thank you. That's all.